makes love to our happy thing. It seems that every time we turn around and we see those smiling and happy and happy and everything, I think love is a happy thing because it goes around everyone's faces and it helps them grow happier and happier. I think love is a happy thing. It seems that every time we turn around and we see those smiling and happy and happy and everything, I think love is a happy thing because it goes around everyone's faces and it helps them grow happier and happier by the moment and everything else. So I hope you enjoyed my little happy speeches. Bye-bye.